Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your game on Poki website. Guys, Poki is a big gaming platform. If you will publish your game on this Poki website, then you will get lot of audience on your game. Guys, here you can see Poki website have over 85 million visitors monthly. And here you can see Poki website have 21% visitors from United States. If you will publish your game on this Poki website, then you will get lot of audience from United States. Let me show you how you can publish your game on this Poki website. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. Guys, here you can see I have published my game on itch.io game website. You can download this game from this website. I'm going to publish this game on Poki website. Open new tab and search here developer Poki. Now click here to open this first URL. You will then come to this page. Click on share your game button. Now first of all, you will have to fill out all the needed information. I'm going to fill out all this information. Type here your first name. Now here you can see they are asking your studio name. You can type here anything. Scroll down below. Type here your email address. Here you can see they are asking how did you hear about us. You can type here YouTube. Scroll down below. Type here your game title. I'm going to publish this game. I'm going to copy this title. Now paste here. Scroll down below. Here you can see they are asking your game link. Guys, I have published my game on itch.io game website. Here is my game link. I'm going to copy this link and paste here. Guys, if you have not published your game on any app store or any game website, then don't worry. You can publish your game on Lilo website to generate link. If you have made your game using GDevelop software, then click on publish button. Now click on generate link button. Guys, it will take some time. Here you can see this is my game link. You can click here to copy this link. After that you can paste here your game link. Now you will have to select here your game engine name. Which software have you used to make your game? I have made my game using GDevelop software. Now here you will have to type here your game description. Okay, after completing this information, click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. Guys, as you can see here, my game has submitted successfully. Thank you so much for sharing your game with us. Guys, they will play my game to check is my game fit for their playground. After reviewing my game, they will send message on my Gmail. Guys, using this method, you can publish your game on Poki website. I hope you found this video at all helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.